Bella. Hi, Bella. You have tissue? Tissue. Tissue. Kamusta ang mouth? Oh, look at teacher. Look at teacher mouth lang. Look at teacher mouth. Look at teacher. Yes, okay. Don't worry. Oh, look at teacher. Look at teacher. Not yet done? Later, we will continue na yung milk mo. Dali, oh. Over your milk na. Let's start na. Activity. Ay. Look at me. Bella. Let's go na. Give it to teacher. See you later, milk. See you later, milk. Very good. See you later, milk. Later ulit, later. Yes. It's okay. I know. Oh, it's okay. Later ulit. Mag-milk tayo later. Ay, very good. Very good. Yes, later. Later, we will continue your milk. Oh, look at here. What's this? Wow, animals. Oh, look at here. Animals. Oh, look at the animals. Wow, bear. Look at the bear. Bear. Wow, what's this? Fox. Look at here. Fox. Oh, look at the baby. Oh, ay, the kuya. Oh. He's crying. Oh. The kuya is crying. Crying si kuya, oh. How about you? Behave na si Bella, di ba? Behave na. What's this? Bear? Bear? Fox? Snake? Frog? Turtle? Penguin? Owl or owl? This one. Parrot, shark, zebra, eagle, and deer. Oh, let's help teacher to write the names, ha? Okay, okay, very good. Oh, what's this? This is a bear. Oh, let's help teacher to write it. A B, Bella, E, bear. Bear, A, and then, this one. Look at here, Bella. Look at the word. Look at here. R. Oh, let's write R. Look at the paper, Bella. Bella, look at the paper, R. Look at the paper, R. Bella, oops. Oh, let's write R, ha? R. That's R. Yay. R. 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 Bear. Then, let's cross out the bear. Look at here. Bear. Let's cross out the bear. Bear. That's the bear. Next to fox. Fox. F. O. X. Fox. Ay, very good. Cross out na si fox. Next. Si deer. Ay, hindi pala si deer. Si snake. Asan yung snake? Ayun. Snake. S. Ito. N. Oh, look at here. A, K, E. Snake. Snake. Oh, cross out pa sa snake. Very good. Next one is frog. F. Oh, ano sa frog? Ayun. Nasa sa frog? Ayun. Sa frog. F. Hold the pencil. Good job, F. Oh, next is zebra. Z for zebra. Z. Okay. Next is E. B. R. A. Zebra. Press up si zebra. Bye, zebra. Next is eagle. Where's eagle? E. A. G. Oh, look at that. Look at the paper. I know. Oh, look at here. I know, it's nice here. Look at here. Oh, look at the eagle. Yes, look at the eagle. Oh, Gina. Let's go. G. Where's G? G. G. Look at here. Gina, G. Look at the paper, Bella. Bella. G. Oh, Gina, G. Look at here, Bella. G. G. Oh, look. Oh, R. This one. R. O. G. Ay, frog. O, cross out pa si frog. Very good. Next one, si turtle. Asa si turtle? Turtle. T. Look at the paper. Look at the paper, Bella. Bella, focus. O, turtle. T. T. Oh, what's that? U. R. Oh, look at here. Look at here. Look at the turtle. Look at the turtle. Oh, R. T. Ay, very good. L. E. Turtle. Oh, cross out na si turtle. Cross out turtle. Bye-bye. Oh, next, penguin. Here, penguin. Nasa penguin. Ayun. P. P. Penguin. Next is E. Next is N. Next is G. U. I. N. Oh, asa si penguin? Ayun. Oh, cross out na si penguin. Very good. How about si O? Oh, O. This one. O. W. L. Oh. Oh. Cross out na si O. Very good, Bella. Next one. This one. What's this? This is a parrot. Oh, look at the parrot. Look at the parrot, Bella. Parrot. E. A. R. R. O. Oh, look at here. Look at the paper, Bella. Bella, look at the paper. Bella girl. Bella girl. Oh, look at here. T. Parrot. Oh, cross out na si parrot. Bye-bye, parrot. Oh, next is si shark. Ay, di pala si... Oh, tama. Si shark. Shark. Oh, S. Next to S is H. And then A. And then R. Look at here, Bella. Bella, look at here. Look at the paper. Look at the paper. Oh, look at here. K. K. Very good. Oh, cross out pa si shark. Bye-bye, shark. Bye-bye, shark. Oh, next is G. G. Oh, look at here, G. Oh, let's write G. 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 L. E. Eagle. Oh, cross out pa si eagle. Bye-bye, eagle. Oh, next, last one. Deer. What's the spelling of deer? D. E. E. R. Oh, where's deer? Ayun, si deer. Oh, bye-bye, deer. Good job. Bye-bye, deer. Oh, let's write your name muna. Bago mag-color. B. Nickname. What's your nickname? B. Oh, B. Right, B. Look at here. B. Then E. Oh, look at here. Look at the paper. Look at here. Look at the paper, Bella. E. Where's E? E. Look at here. E. E. And then L. Oh, look at here. Look at the paper, Bella. Bella. Let's... L. 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 Bella. Bella. Look at here. Look at the paper. Go. L. L. Last one. Last one. Last one. L. L. A. Date. 0. 5. Oh, look at here. 0. 5. Oh, look at here. 0. 5. Look at the paper. Bella. Bella. 0. 5. 0. 5. 18. Oh, 18. 1. 8. Oh, 2, 6. 2, 6. 10 to 26. Very good. Oh, rest hands over. Put your hands. Hands on the table lang. Hands on the table. Oh, rest hands. Before coloring. And rest hands. Very good. Very good. What's the color of the penguin? You like purple for penguin? Purple, penguin. Go. Ay, baliktad. Go. Purple, penguin. Go. Go to paper. Hey, paper. Go. Color. Okay, very good. Good job. Next. Oh, what's the color of the owl? What's the color of the owl? Yellow. You want? Ay, what? Okay, yellow. Go. This one. Owl, yellow. Go, color. Very good. Good job. Okay. Next, what's the color of the parrot? You want pink for parrot? Pink for parrot? Go. Pink for parrot. Oh, yes, pink for parrot. Parrot, pink. Go. Color. This one, parrot. Go. Color the bird. Color the bird. Parrot. This one. No. This one. Oh. Color. Go. Go. Color. Go. Go. This one, parrot. Go, parrot. Parrot, go. Color. Color. This one. Go. Use your hand. color. Yes, very good, go. Very good, Dina, go. Yes, oh, let's put it the short. What's the color of the short? Huh? What's the color of the short? You want blue again? Blue. Let's see, blue shark. Blue shark. Go. Shark. Shark. Ganito po, ayan. Yan, go. Ganun. Ganun. Go, shark. Okay, tapos na. Next, black. Black for, gray na lang. Gray for the zebra. Zebra. This one, zebra. Go, zebra. Color the zebra. Zebra. Go. Continue, zebra. Continue, zebra. Color. Look at here, Bella. Focus. Here. Zebra. Zebra. Yes. Continue, zebra. Zebra. Go. Okay, very good. And next is eagle. Eagle. Red, orange. Eagle. This one. Go. This one. Go. Red, orange. Go. Eagle. 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 Look at here. Oh, eagle. Go. Bella, apple color. Color, move your hand. Bella. 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 Go, move your hand. Go. Bella, move your hand. Bella, look at the picture. Oh. Are you listening? Oh, good. Bella. Bella. Oh, color, go. Here. Ibon. Where's the ibon? Ibon. Ay. Ibon. Where's the ibon? Bella. Iba. Ibon. Ibon. Hands on the table. Hands on the table. Hands on the table. Look at here, Bella. Bella, look at here. Ibon. Then, langgam. Look at here, Bella. Ay, you're not listening na. Yes, close it. Eyes. Look at teacher. Look at teacher. I want you to look at teacher. Ibon. Look at teacher. I will close your eyes again. I'll cover your eyes. Sit properly. Dito po tingin. Dito po tingin. Look at here, Bella. Yes. What? Meow. Oh, meow. Asang meow, meow. Pusa. Meow, meow. Oh, yung bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Where's the ibon? Tweet, 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 tweet. Look at here. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Where's the ibon? Bella. Let's proceed this. Where? Yes, this one. And langgam. Where's the langgam? Where's the langgam? Where's the langgam? Langgam. Where's the langgam? Langgam. Bella. Look at here. Bella. Ayan na yung langgam. Langgam. This one is palaka. Palaka. Where's the palaka? Kokak. Kokak. Where's the palaka? Kokak. Dito. Kokak. Palaka. Palaka. Langgam. Palaka. Ibon. 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 Tweet, tweet. Ibon. Pusa. Meow. Ahas. Aso. Af, af. Aso. Af, af. This one. Bella. Right? Wait, teacher. Wait for teacher. What's this? What's this? Look at here. What's this? These are animals. Animals. What's this? This is a dog. Dog. This is a dog. Oh, look at here. This is a dog. Bella. Bella. Look at the paper. Dog. Snake. Cat. No po, kuya. Bird. What's this? Ant. And frog. Again, this is a... What's this? This is a... Hi. Dog. Oh, where's the dog? Where's the dog, Bella? Bella, look at here. Look at teacher. Wag ko yung kid. Wag kayo Kuya Joseph. Dito ka. Dog. Snake. Snake. Cat. Ahas. Ay, cat. Ahas. Cat. Pusa. Bird. Ibon. Ant. Langgam. Frog. Palaka. Aso. Ay, inantok ulit. Inantok ulit kay teacher. Aso. Aso. Look at the aso. Where's the aso? Where's our Where's Ow Ow? Ow Ow. Nasaan yung aso? Ow Ow. Aso. Look at here. Aso. Ahas. Ahas. Pusa. Bird. Ibon. Look at the ibon. Look at the ibon. Look at here, Bella. Bella, focus. Look at here. Bella, look at the paper. Bella. 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 Look at here. Oh, very good. Sit down. Quiet hands. Laki naman ng bubbles mo. Wow! Another one. Teacher, look at here. Hi. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Blow, blow, blow. Paano yung blow? Paano ikaw? Blow. Hands down, hands down. Hands down. Help teacher to blow. Look at you. Blow, 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 blow. Help teacher. Blow, blow. Hi. Blow. Help teacher to blow. Blow, 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 blow. Bubbles. Teacher up. Yes, blow. Oops, sorry. Look at here, blow. Okay? Hindi naman ikaw nagpa-blow, nagpapap ka lang ng bubbles. Oh, look at here, blow. Ang laki naman kasi ng bubbles mo. Ang laki ng bubbles mo. Blow. Oh, look at teacher. Oh, look at teacher. Bubbles. Look at teacher. Go. Blow. 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 Bella. Put down your hand. Bubble. Blow. 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 Blow, Bella. Hindi ako masyado. Malihan tinala ni Tita. Bella, look at here. These are action cognition. Oh. What's this? First one is, what's this? This is a haircut. 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 Oh, look at teacher's hair. Haircut. This one is, wow, there's a butterfly. What's this? Catch. Butterflies. Catch. Butterflies. Butterflies. Manghuhuli daw na. Look at here. Manghuhuli na butterfly. This one, what's this? Do the cooking. Cooking. Do the cooking. Mommy is cooking. Cooking. This one, what's this? Oh, the boy is on the bed. What's this? Sleep. 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 Look at here. Look at teacher. Sleep. Sleep. How about this one? Oh, the bird has a book. What is she going to do? Read book. Read book. Read book. Read. Can you say it? Read. Read. This one. How about this one? Study math. Study. Math. Numbers. Numbers. Study. Math. Math. This one. Wow, there's a bike. The boy is going to ride a bike. Bike. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. This one is, oh, the boy has a pencil. He is going to write. Look at here. Look at here. Write. Write. Look at here, Bella. Bella, look at the pencil. Don't look at Kuya. Don't look at Kuya. Here, Bella, look at here. Pencil. 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 Right. This one, what's this? Ladder. There's a ladder. What is she going to do? She is going to, look at here. Climb stairs. Climb stairs. Wow, to get the star. Star. To get, look at here. Don't look at Kuya. Kuya, sit down ka lang doon po. Sit down lang po doon. Get the stairs. Ay, the star. Look at here, Bella. Don't look at Kuya. Don't look at Kuya. This one. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. He is going to deliver, look at here, food. Deliver the food. How about this one? Oh, there's a fish. Fish. She is going to fishing. She is going to fishing. Go fishing. 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 This one, what's this? There's the garbage. Throw garbage away. Throw garbage away. Look at here, Bella. Kuya, Kuya, sit down. Look at here. Wash the dishes. Dishes. Yeah, dishes. Sorry. Wash the dishes. The boy is going to wash the dishes. This one, wow, there's a guitar. The girl has a guitar. She is going to play the guitar. Play the guitar. Play. This one, violin. How about the violin? Also, she is going to play the violin. 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 Look at here. Violin. Violin. This one is horse. Horse. There's a horse. He is going to ride the horse. Ride the horse. Yes, wow, plants. Plants and flowers. He is going to water the flowers. 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 Yes, water. Look at here, water the flowers. Wow, what are these? These are blocks. Oops, look at here. Look at here, Bella. Blocks. Look at here. Build the blocks. A, B, C. Blocks. Building the blocks. Very good. Look at here. Continue. This one is clean the mirror. Mirror. Cleaning. Cleaning. Clean the, what's this? What's this? Mirror. Very good. Yummy? Yummy, Bella? Drink
Water.
water. Dandan lang. Bella. No. Go. Go, drink water. Hindi ka pa sabi magpaso.
Open.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Open.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open
It's
your
a
mouth.
win.
Open your mouth.
Yes.
Bella, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Bella. Hindi mo babasa ito.
Wanna get. What the give me?